Start off by opening the Ohme app and click on the tariff button. Scroll down to select a new tariff and then click My supplier isn't listed. Then you can manually input the tariff name. I went with Intelligent Octopus Go Fix. Then put in the tariff type, which is a dual rate. Put the standard rate for on-peak electricity costs. You can find that in the Intelligent Octopus Go app. It's 27.69 pence at the moment. Then put in the off-peak rate, which shows its times, and it is 0.7 pence per kilowatt. Then you can set your start time for the off-peak rate and your end time for the off-peak rate. Open your My Renault app, select a program and set it to start charging at 11:30 p.m. and finish charging at 5:30 a.m. Set it for the days that you want the vehicle to charge, and then tick across at the bottom. There's a little green button you can see there which says charge. Make sure that you've selected that and then back out of it and save it. And great news, I have successfully charged my car this way since Wednesday the 9th. It's working repeatably, it's good. That is the information that Renault UK and Ohme should give you. Massive, massive, massive thank you to everyone on my YouTube channel and everyone in the comment sections on the Renault 5 owners group who explained this process to me. I'm quite a visual person, so I hope that there'll be other people out there who will find this guide really helpful. Let's go fall in love with our Renault 5s now that we can actually charge them. Thank you, bye.